All right, in this lesson, I want to show you how to use system of equations to actually solve a problem. Now, we've read this in a previous video in this lesson, but I'm going to read it again. It says, one night, a theater sold 548 movie tickets. An adult's ticket cost $6.50, and a child's ticket cost $3.50. In all, $2,881 was taken in. How many of each kind of ticket were sold? Okay, so previously we learned how to write the system of equations. Once you have the system of equations, you can use the Desmos app to graph it and find the intersection to determine the solution, or how many of each kind of tickets. All right, so let's take a look. Here is the Desmos calculator. Remember, we had, I believe it was A plus C equals 548. In Desmos, you have to use X plus Y. All right? So it says X plus Y equals 548, and then it says the $6.50 times the adult tickets, X plus $3.50 times the child's ticket, Y equals 2,881. So as long as you enter it like this, you may also have to zoom. Like if it's too far out, you won't see it, but you can zoom in here and you can see where they intersect, and it shows you the X is 321, the Y is 227, so therefore the adult tickets was 321 and the child's ticket was 227. All right, let's go back and take a look at another question. This one says that during a football game, the parents of the football players sell pretzels and popcorn to raise money for new uniforms. They charge $4 for a bag of popcorn and $2.50 for a pretzel. The parents collect a total of $540 in sales during the game. They sell twice as many pretzels as bags of popcorn. How many bags of popcorns do they sell? How many pretzels do they sell? All right, so we read that in a previous lesson and we wrote this system of equations. 2.5p plus 4b equals 540. That's the $2.50 for the pretzels plus $4 for the bags of popcorn, and they collected $540. We also know that they sell twice as many pretzels as bags of popcorn, so the pretzels is equal to 2 times b. Well, with this system of equations, again, we can plug it in to the Desmos. You can see here 2.5x plus 4y equals 540. Remember, you have to change it to x and y. And then the x was equal to 2y. All right, and then when you plug that in, again, and you can zoom in, you see here where the graphs intersect at 120 and 60. So it looks like they sold 120 bags of, or 120 pretzels and 60 bags of popcorn. All right, so that's how you use Desmos in order to plug in a system of equations and find the solution.